Oh, hi guys, welcome back to another video from Hello and hi guys, welcome back to another video from JBL Tech Info. In this video we have the Infinity Zip 100. We'll be unboxing as well as we'll be performing a sound test, and might as well at the end of the video I'll give my own opinion about the product. Let's start. So here are the earphones. So as usual, you get two pairs of replaceable earbuds. And here we have the quick start guide, the warranty card as well as the warning manual all in one. Here's a sound test. This is the best which I could capture. So yeah. So finally, my opinion on these earphones is that the sound quality is good as well as the vocals are sharp and crystal clear. The treble is great and they do get loud. Although, they could have improved more on the bass, as when you increase the volume, the bass seems to get low due to the overpowering treble. But, as they're really pocket friendly, affordable at a current price of $498, that's just negligible. This is the expected quality from Infinity, which is Harman's kind of budget category brand. It's worth it. Note that these sound quite different from JBL, although they're from the same parent company, Harman.